HVAC people!
Alright, so I serve this house like once a year. And then we come out and do the maintenance on it. So these the Honeywell electric filters, and as you can see, this that's a year worth of dirt accumulate. Cause I washed these out last year too. So I already looked at the furnace though, and I flushed out the drain lines and checked my blower amp. So I come out here, I'm gonna wash these, let these dry in the sun while I clean the condenser unit. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you how I got this customer here. I came out to do a troubleshooting call for him, and so they told me that they just had a maintenance done like 3 weeks before I came out. I guess the people that did the maintenance was so busy, it was summertime, they couldn't get to it, so they got me. I think that was 2018. So these filters right here is how I got this job. I said, you just had a maintenance, and I showed her the filters, and they had like 3 inches worth of dirt on them. I'm talking about thick. I had to try to blow them things out with nitrogen, and put a water hose on them to try to loosen up the dirt. I said, well, they were doing the maintenance on it somehow. They forgot about these filters. They don't look like they've been cleaned in years. I'm gonna show you how they are. These filters here, kind of like slide them in. You got 2 washable filters on the front, and you got the filters on the back. Like I say, so I'll just let these dry in the sun while I go clean the condenser unit up. Just kind of let that sit right there. All right. All right, so the ones on the back, flush those out with nitrogen. We'll spray them out with nitrogen. So these, yeah, you can miss these. They're so small, I guess, but I don't know. Slide them bad boys right in there. One hand there. Bop. Everything look good up here. See that little orange light come on. Ready to pop. Like a little static electric pop. All right. If you don't know if you got a TXV or an orifice, you shut the unit off. You know, orifice, your line's gonna equalize like real quick, almost immediately. But if you got a TXV, you know the expansion valve gotta, you know, it open and closes. So it'll take a while for it to equalize. So I'll be darned. That's a good technique, because sometimes you have those case coils or you have TXVs or orifice on the inside of the unit, and instead of trying to tear up all that, whatever case you let me get this car. But now that's a nice deal. Hello, this Walter. Yeah, so I mean, that's a good technique right there. So we know we got a TXV, it's not equalized. So orifice, you can come out here, hook your gauges up, shut the unit off to kind of tell what you got. Because the orifice right now, say you might have like 195 and 195 on both lines. So learn something new every day. So this is Linux right here. I'm turn it back on. Check the pressure. So you know if you're charging a unit or something like that, you want to tell if you're trying to charge by superheater subcooling. If you can, so you can add that to your repertoire. That's nice to have though, nice to know. I never knew that. Sometimes I get a knife or some scissors or wire cutters and cut in there trying to find out what I got. Da-da-da. So this 410A. So we're gonna let that run for a while. She should be good. So I think the best way with this UEI meter, since I haven't been having much success getting the correct microfarads, is just to test the capacitor live. So you see I got this common on this common on the capacitor, and I got the red lead, my positive lead on Herm. So I'm checking voltage, and I got my clamp meter on the for my amps coming from that Herm. You see I got 8 amps, and I got about 343 volts. 343. So I'm just gonna, I can use the calculator also, but so I'm gonna take my amps. I got 8 amps. I'm gonna do 8 times 2654. Let's see what I get here. So we'll do 8 times 2654. So I got, see that? So I got 21,232. 21,232. Alright. I'm still recording. 21 341. It's about the same thing. So I'm gonna divide that by 341. I got 62. So that's equal to 62 MFD. That's live. Let's see what we rated. We rated for 60. I mean, so that's good. So we got 62 live, right? So I got 62 live. It's hard to do this one hand. So I'm gonna discharge this capacitor. Remember I say this for educational purpose, but not educational purpose at all, for entertainment purposes only. But I am gonna discharge this capacitor and we're gonna check it. We're gonna check that bad boy with just the microfarad on the with the UEI meter, see what we get. So we got 62 live. So I'm just gonna unplug this Herm right here and we're gonna check it. All right, so I'm gonna put this on MFD. Got it. It's on MFD. And we're gonna put this one right here. And we're gonna put that bad boy right there. Let's see what we get. Disclaim this for entertainment purposes only. So look at that. So I'm getting 55. I am getting 55 MFD. See, that would tell me it's time to replace this thing. Okay, I'm gonna take this common wire right here off. Okay, put that right there. So I'm getting 55. All right, now I'm gonna run to the truck real quick. If I get about 60, 62 with that fluke, I can't use this UEI to check capacitor no more. This is for entertainment purpose only. But I ain't gonna show you no magic tricks. So I haven't hooked it up yet, so we're gonna, cause I like the UEI meter. I do. I like the dual display. I like the little magnet on it, but and it got a brand new battery in there too. So I know somebody asked that. Let me see. So let's do the microfarad. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get on the fluke. I hope it say 55. Like I say, cause I like it. So we're gonna take that off. We're gonna hook. So we're gonna hook that one up right here. We're gonna hook this common up right here. Let's see what we get. See, I got 59. That's 60 basically. See, I can't go with the UEI on checking microfarad. So maybe it just look how fast that calculated there. Maybe it's just the meter that I got, unfortunately. But it don't do well on microfarad. Not one time. So I mean, like I said, I only had the meter, what, 30 days. I'm not gonna take it back or anything. I'll just check it live. I won't even use this option right here with this meter here. Yeah, so I don't know if anybody else been having that problem. I know they got another UEI meter. I was thinking about even upgrading and getting that one, because I mean, I like it. It's strong and steady. Seems like it check everything else good. You know, voltage, been on point, amps. But some reason microfarad is off on this.
Like I said, maybe just a bad meter, but we can work our way around that. And I really did want this 2-check capacitors. I wanted an all-in-one meter, so I might try to upgrade and get that other one to just see how it does. But it is what it is. So now though, with this 379, I'm gonna check them live. I'm not gonna waste time even pulling it out. So all right, that's that.